Check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2.
We're here.
So what up? All right, so we are in the house. So all the comments are going in for both of us on the screen. It's our first time doing this. It's Freestyle Friday.
Happy to be here. Flex Friday, Freestyle Friday, ready to go. A lot of big stuff going on with Titan this weekend. We got the Tampa Pro. I'll be over there checking it out. If you guys see me, I might give you some free shirts, take some pictures. If you guys got questions, ask me questions too. Then next week we got another show. Then next week we got a no show. We're everywhere. Titan is blowing up big time.
We're gonna have a lot of different things going on. Drew will be out there, so if you're gonna see him, Tampa Pro, take a picture, say what's up. He might have some Titan gear for you. If not, take a picture, tag us up. We're also gonna be in a lot of different other places this weekend. So you know us Titans, we like to do it big. We like to go around everywhere, right?
Always.
We're not just cut in one spot. So we're also gonna be at the comic convention on Sunday. We're going to have some different characters probably showing up. Mr. Big Drew Thanos might show up.
Thanos might be in the building. Might check it out. Let's go. It's going to be fun.
Saturday, Hula Bay. My man Jerome Graham, his pool party. Titan Medical Center will be there. Me and Sharice will be there in full effect. So that's what I'm going to be at on Saturday. I'll be relaxing by the pool because I'm working too hard on every other day. So, but I'll still be out there working. If you guys have any questions, come out there, hang out with us, have a drink, and see what's going on. What's total HRT regimen? So Paul Gonzalez, he's asking a question about HRT regimen. So what about HRT regimen? Are you asking what involves in an HRT regimen? Is it hormone replacement therapy that you're talking about for yourself or for a female? Please let us know. We'll answer the question. Before we do that and we get the responses, let's talk about the ECA Stack Plus. So that's the therapy of the week, right?
Loving it. Loving the ECA Stack Plus, guys. It's not just the typical ECA. There is extra stuff in there, too. Yohimbe, farm grade Yohimbe, not the cheap Yohimbe, farm grade. Check it out. I'm loving it, guys. I didn't really like the whole ECA thing going into it because you guys know I don't do fat burners. I basically rely on metabolism and diet. But this stuff is definitely helping. Guys, if you work in construction, it helps you get going through the day. If you work in sales, it's going to help you get focused, get that commission. This stuff is great, no jitters, and it lasts a long, long time, guys. You'll love it. You'll love it.
Absolutely. So like he was saying, no jitters. And guys, this is all doctor prescribed and comes from U.S. licensed pharmacies. So the ECA Stack Plus, we have all kinds of doses that are custom for you guys because everybody has a different tolerance level. Whether you're as big as Big Drew here or you're a 90-pound bikini competitor or bikini model per se, right? It doesn't matter. It really matters on your tolerance, what you can take in, and your sensitivity to these stimulants, and what's in the ECA Stack Plus. So let's talk about it. Drew talked about some of the components that are ECA Ultra, and that is one bad boy that are called the red bombs. We usually don't even promote those things, and the reason why is because it might be a little bit too much for people. But for people like me and Big Drew, we have kind of a little bit more tolerance. We can handle these things, and it's great for fat burning. So the low dose, the high dose, and the ECA Ultra dose are the three that we have for you patients out there. If you guys want more information about those doses or the ECA Stack Plus, which is therapy of the week, that can help with fat burning, metabolism, like we're raising it, talk about Big Drew, raising metabolism in there, and what does that? So the B12 and the chromium added on top of the caffeine, ephedrine, the aspirin will help you get that result of boosting metabolism. Right. Concentration levels, I'm always more zoned in. I go all day with my ECA Ultra. I literally take one in the morning. No other coffee, stimulants, energy drinks, anything like that. No pre-workouts. It's definitely, I mix that in Hercules Potion, man. I'm ready to go.
A lot of times, too, you guys always hear, how much is it? How much is it? How much is it? If you replace your ECA with your coffee, I guarantee you'll save money. You guys are spending $3 or $4 every day at Starbucks. That's just one coffee. If you go to Starbucks 2-3 times a day, that's $10 every day. That's $300 a month to put basically caffeine and additives in your system. Get it the clean way, save your teeth, save your breath, and get the ECA cap. I guarantee you're going to love it.
It's so true,
Guarantee
man. You hit it right in the head. I mean, literally,
yeah.
man. I mean, I see some of these guys, and you're in the low end, $3 or $4 Starbucks. I see some of these girls walking out like these lattes like $8 or $9.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Like, you know?
A latte, a breakfast bagel, or a banana could be $10, $15.
For real.
Every day you're looking at $300, $600 a month.
Yeah, it's crazy.
To destroy your enamel, to have bad breath, and to have diarrhea. Yeah. Honestly. Take the ECA, you'll love it.
So we always want to mention the ECA. It's a big, big therapy here. It's used by a lot of people for a lot of different things. It's a capsule form, so it's not an injection. We always get that question: is everything you do injection? No, there are some oral therapies that we do that are very effective, but we won't offer anything unless it's going to be effective for the patients. We want to make sure that you are aware of that. So Freestyle Friday, we're going to be coming at you every Friday. Drew's in the studio with us every Friday. So at that point, I'm going to let him take over some of these shows, and we're going to be posting on YouTube, so everybody will be following that. So I want you guys to go to YouTube if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe to the Titan Medical Center page on YouTube. All you got to do is just type in Titan Medical Center. And at that point, we're going to have this playlist, and we're going to be having Drew's personal series going up there, and it's going to be talking a lot of different things, right?
It's going to be fun. It's going to be good. A lot of you guys have been asking when my YouTube videos are coming out. We've been going through the whole process and transition process. Bigger and better YouTube videos coming now. We're going to have one specific to specific Titan stuff. Also ones where I'm just going on there just letting you guys ask questions, organic stuff. You know me, I love organic. I don't like anything scripted. This wasn't scripted. We just come in here and talk about ECA.
No.
That's what it's going to be. Basic stuff, fundamental, easy. Let's go.
Yeah, man. I think we're talking about some training, some clothes. I mean,
training,
pretty
clothes.
much everything you guys want to know. I mean, nothing about it. It doesn't have to be about Titan Medical Center. It can be about anything you guys are really, questioning or you guys think about. Just bring it up. I'm sure Big Drew, and he's going to give you the truth. He's going to give you the straight to the point truth. So at that point, it'd be really, really cool. I think it's going to be awesome. So it's just a great addition.
And also, guys, good vibes only on these videos. When you guys are calling in with questions, there's a lot of drama going on in fitness, this and that. Good vibes only here at Titan. Positivity only at Titan. I'm going to give you an honest answer. Brutal honesty is all you're going to get from me, whether it's good or bad, but let's keep the bullshit out of it. Good vibes only.
Please, it's all about positivity and raising people up, you're in the fitness community, and a lot of people should be, they're either getting it from their journey or they're helping people in their journey, and that should be a positive thing too. So I see a lot of different things out there. I want to give the positive spin, but we're going to give you the honest truth, like Drew said, and that's the way to be, man. People really appreciate that.
It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Also, guys, let us know what you want to see. If there's something specific you want to see me do or talk about, I may touch base on it, I may not, but it's good to know what you guys want. We can brainstorm all we want here, come up with ideas. What are they going to like? What are they going to like? What are they going to like? Well, honestly, it's for you guys. So whatever you guys want to see, shoot me a direct message on my Instagram or Facebook or John or Titan or whoever. Let us know what you want to see. We'll put it in there. We'll try to get to it if we can. If it's something that's very important, we'll get to it. Or if it's something that's not important, it's important to you, we'll get to it. Because what's important to you is important to us. That's what we're here to do at Titan.
Absolutely. Education and fun. That's what we're going to do for you guys. So at that point, I really want to go over some of these things with you guys. If you guys don't know what Titan Medical Center does, I just want to cover it real quick. We do hormone replacement therapy, medical weight loss, vitamin amino acid injectable therapies, rejuvenation detox, libido enhancers, lifestyle enhancers is what we'd like to call it here, and a lot more. So if you guys need our help, we do service nationwide. And we do some blood testing and all different kinds of things that we service. Guys, just call or text 727-389-3220. We'll be able to help you out, answer any questions. We've got awesome blood specials going on right now, so we'll take advantage of it, especially this weekend. We've got a lot of different competitors in town, stuff like that.
Right.
You guys come by Titan Medical Center today before we close. I'll give you guys some shirts, some leggings, maybe if you're a girl. If not, Big Drew might have some with you. You never know. If not, hit us up at the events and the other ones at the Hula Bay and then at the Comic Convention. We'll be there too. So
Comic Convention and then the Deke Show and the PCA Show.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, 3 big weekends.
Yes.
3 big weekends. It's going to be a lot.
Yeah, so the weekend after this, we're in Sanford for the PCA show.
Right, Sanford.
That'd be awesome. That's on a Sunday, August 11th. And then the weekend after that, on a Saturday, we've got the Deep Warner Florida State Classic.
Florida State, big NPC show. One of the biggest shows in Florida for NPC.
Yeah.
A lot of good competitors. I have some friends competing. It's gonna be a good show.
Yeah, man.
Good show.
National qualifier there. So Deke's an awesome dude, man. Ian's an awesome dude. So we're really proud to be a part of both of those events. It's a lot of big things. So we're going to be doing tons of Titan gear for you guys. So you guys come out, meet us personally there. Me and Big Drew will be there. Sharice is going to be there. We have some of the Titanettes out there. It's going to be real cool. You guys can sign up for the newsletter. You guys can get some free Titan gear, take some pictures, and have a good time with us. That's really what it's about. So Drew, what do you think we should train today?
I don't know. What do you guys think? I'll give you guys, I could bullshit for a little bit. What do you guys think we should train today? You know me, I don't believe in overtraining. I'm thinking maybe some...
Biceps, triceps?
We could do buys and tries. I got Hercules in the car, so I'm ready to go. I got Hercules in the car, ready to go. I keep it on me at all times. But guys, again, too, if you keep your Hercules in the car, Keep it in the car blowing for a couple hours at a time. You don't want it frying in there all day long. I live in Florida. It's like 120 degrees in there. Yeah. And with your glutathione too, as soon as you take your injection, put it right back in the fridge. Don't let it sit on the counter. Don't get distracted. Don't take a shower. Don't go to the store. Come back. Take it out of your fridge. Take your injection properly. You can see instructions how to do that on TitanMedical.com. And then put it right back in the fridge. You don't want to waste your money, guys. You guys are paying money for this stuff. You're getting the blood work done. If it comes to your house, as soon as it comes in, put it right in the fridge. Take it when you need it. Put it right back in the fridge.
And let's cover that, guys, because we get this question all the time. What up, Rod? How you doing, dude?
Rodzilla, best back in Florida.
So Hercules Potion, guys. Hercules Potion and all the other vitamin amino acid injectables or glutathione, like he's talking about, or some of our peptides like BPC 157 or TB 500, you don't need blood work for those. All you need to do is fill out the new patient paperwork. You'll see our medical provider. At that point, you can order your therapy package and get started. Now, for blood work, you'll need that for hormone replacement therapy. And is it a good thing to check? Yes, especially after 30. We know that the percentage of testosterone levels are going to decrease over those years. And that's a scientific fact. Now, how fast and what level you're at to begin with is a whole different story. And that's why it's always good to check. Get a baseline. See where you're at originally before you start any sort of treatment. That way you know if it's really working or if it's a placebo effect. We and Drew are going to go to the lab. I think maybe next week we'll go. Maybe next week we'll go. We'll go live for you guys. We're going to go to LabCorp, get our blood drawn, talk about why it's important for you guys, some of the tests that we're taking, and then after that we can kind of show a comparison because I think HRT, at a certain age you're going to want to do it.
Right.
I'm 38 years old. At that point I've been on TRT for 10 years, so at 28 is when I started. And at 28, my testosterone level, and I'm kind of ashamed of it, but it was like 198. So if anybody knows the levels, and right now it's 216 to 946. Back then, it was 315 to 1197. So they actually lowered the range of the top, which is really messed up.
Yeah, not good, guys.
Yeah, guys.
And the thing with the blood work, too, you guys always say, I'm scared to get my blood work, I'm scared. To be honest, I spoke to someone a couple weeks ago. They were scared to get their blood work, not for the results, for the process. Guys, it's so simple. If you guys have donated blood, it's literally the same thing as donating blood. You go in, fill out the paperwork, they take your blood, it doesn't hurt. It literally doesn't take long at all. It's easy. You don't have to do any extra paperwork after it. Go in there, fill out the paper, get your blood work, and you just sit back and wait. Sit back and wait for them to contact you. Sit back and wait for Titan to contact you, schedule your appointment, and get you in here and get you going. It's simple, real simple. If you guys have an Apple phone, that's more difficult to get your Apple phone set up than it is to get your blood work.
Pretty much.
It's real simple, guys. It's real simple.
You guys can call or text. If you guys do see this live right now, I'll give you guys a special. You guys will get $25 off the full panel at that point if you're male or female. So I'll just offer that up right now. I wasn't going to do it, so that's just a freebie and improv. So at that point, you guys take advantage of it. If you guys need any tests, we can do it for you guys. And like he said, it's very simple. You can call or text. All you're going to do is give us some information over the phone. We're going to send you over an email that's going to have your prepaid lab requisition, the nearest lab locations to your zip code. You're going to go into that sheet, take that sheet in there. They're going to take that sheet from you, check your ID, draw your labs. We're going to call you in 3 to 4 days, expedite the results. So if you go to a normal doctor, Drew, this is what usually happens. You go in there and you tell the doctor what's going on. And then he's like, all right, let me write you a script for the blood. You take the script, right? Then you go to the lab, you get the blood drawn, they take your insurance card, okay. Then what happens is it takes about 2 weeks for them to call you. And then they're like, all right, well, we can tell your results when you come in. So then you got to set an appointment, right?
Too much work.
Plus, you're missing vital time. So
not only that, they're going to give you gas money. How far away is the
right?
No, it's way too much work.
Time is money.
Nationwide, guys. If you guys work 9 to 5, you can't get in here. Call us. Text us. If you're out of state, I always hear people all the time, I want to do Titan, I want to get involved with Titan, but I can't make it over there. Nationwide. You can literally, on your lunch break, get it done on your phone and go right back. It's that easy. You don't even have to come in here. Save your gas. Just do everything from the house. It's a lot easier, guys. A lot easier.
Nice. Guys, we have people that fly in. We have people that drive down. Please come down and see our beautiful office. We'd love to have you in here, see our medical providers and doctors right here on staff that's on here every day, okay? And that's what it is. And we want to make sure that your health is number one. Patient service first class, therapy's first class. That's what we're all about here at Titan. So
if you can get here, get here. If not, we can take care of you too.
Either way, we'll take care of you guys. So look for more videos coming out. I think we've covered a little bit of what we should, right, today.
This is just a sample of what's yet to come, guys. A lot of good stuff coming. Again, I always answer questions. I have my phone on me constantly. Like, my life is off my phone. So shoot me a DM. I'll try to get to it. I mean, John's a little bit more busy than I am, so hit me up for the questions. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And again, he says he's going to take $25 off and show that panel. I'll give you a free shirt. If you come in tomorrow and show me from your phone that you made an appointment, yep, I'll give you a free shirt. So if you guys are going to be at the Tampa Pro tomorrow, come up to me, show me on your phone that you made the appointment, and I'll give you a free shirt. It's that simple. We're here to help.
That's awesome, guys. So at that point, hey, we're going to offer you guys something for free too, so take advantage of it. So I think the first Freestyle Fridays went really well.
Went well. Next time it might just be me, so it might be a little bit more crazy, but you know, that's what I like. Honest truth always, Titan Medical, good vibes always. Let's get it.
All right, guys, I'm John from Titan. Big Drew's here, and we are officially out. You guys have a great weekend. We hope we see you guys.
Time to tighten up.